When most homeowners think about upgrading their curb appeal, they usually picture landscaping, exterior paint, or stylish lighting. But one of the most impactful, and often overlooked, updates is installing an energy-efficient door. In a growing community like Frisco, where modern design meets family-friendly living, the right door can transform your home's exterior while also improving comfort and lowering energy costs. The perfect blend of beauty and function. Energy-efficient doors are designed to do more than just close off your entryway. They're crafted with advanced insulation materials, weather stripping, and high-performance glass panels that help regulate indoor temperatures. That means less hot air slipping in during Texas summers and less heat escaping on chilly winter nights. But performance is only part of the equation. Manufacturers understand that homeowners want doors that look as good as they function. With options ranging from sleek modern steel doors to custom-crafted wooden designs with decorative glass inserts, you can find a style that complements your home's architecture and makes a bold first impression. Curb appeal that lasts. Your front door is one of the first things visitors and neighbors notice. A faded or outdated door can make even a well-maintained home feel tired. Replacing it with a modern, energy-efficient model creates an instant facelift for your property. Color options. From classic white and rich mahogany to bold, modern hues like navy or charcoal, today's doors let you showcase your personality. Custom designs. Add side lights, transoms, or unique glass patterns for a personalized touch. Low-maintenance finishes. Many doors are engineered with durable coatings that resist fading, warping, and scratches, meaning your investment continues looking great for years. With professional door installation in Frisco, you'll not only boost your home's aesthetic but also its market value. Buyers often see energy-efficient upgrades as a premium feature, which can set your property apart in a competitive housing market. Energy savings that add up. Curb appeal is important, but many homeowners choose energy-efficient doors for the practical benefits. Traditional doors, especially older wood models, are prone to drafts, leaks, and poor insulation. These flaws can send your energy bills soaring. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door helps to reduce monthly costs. By keeping indoor temperatures stable, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. Increase comfort. No more chilly drafts in the winter or hot spots near the door in summer. Support sustainability. Using less energy lowers your household's carbon footprint, aligning with eco-conscious living. Over time, the savings from reduced utility bills can even offset part of the cost of installation. Why professional installation matters in Frisco. Even the best door won't perform properly if it's poorly installed. Gaps, misaligned frames, or improper sealing can undo the benefits of your investment. That's why choosing a trusted door installation company in Frisco is essential. Local professionals understand the unique weather conditions of North Texas and can recommend products that perform well in hot summers and unpredictable storm seasons. They also ensure proper fitting, sealing, and finishing so your new door both looks great and delivers maximum energy efficiency. Making the smart investment. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's a smart investment that enhances your home's beauty, comfort, and resale value while cutting energy costs. Whether you prefer a bold modern style, a timeless classic, or a fully customized entry, today's doors offer the perfect balance of curb appeal and performance. If you're considering a door installation in Frisco, now is the ideal time to explore your options. With professional guidance, you can find the right door that not only welcomes guests but also makes your home stand out, beautiful, efficient, and built to last.